is stress ruining your life? It's got me all messed up. How about you let me know? Let's get into what can cause that. First, let's define what stress is. Stress is anything that causes your body to do a stress response. So, some of the more common reasons your body does this are overscheduling yourself, fear, ah, nutrient deficiencies. If you don't eat a well-balanced diet or get vitamins in, procrastination. I know we're all guilty of that sometimes, as well as poor training habits. So maybe you go to the gym and do the exercises, have fast, but you do it for hours and hours. This is a big one. Then the pandemic kind of helped with commuting and traveling. You don't have to drive everywhere, so it's easier on your mind. You don't have to think as hard. And can you sleep? Inadequate amounts of sleep make stress hormones elevate and cause you to store fat. Indecision, maybe that's a big one for a lot of people. I got to do this, but wait, first I got to do that. I call that buffer syndrome. You can't decide which thing to do. Even exercise is a common stressor, but I consider that you stress or good stress instead of distress or bad stress. Get your exercising sometimes it helps de-stress you. Worrying about future events is also a common one. You don't know what's going to happen, so don't worry about it. Big one that a lot of people struggle with is weight loss diets. And now you can be excited about that, but your body still responds with the stress response. I've got 9 negative consequences of stress for you now. Number one, decreased brain function. You won't be able to think as well. Number two, memory loss. You won't remember things as well. Number three, this is the cause for a lot of disease, inflammation. I have have something that would help if you just visit the website, the ASEA website in the description. It's been shown to improve stress response to a healthy one. Number 4, this is a big one because of COVID. Weakened immune system. Number 5, constipation or diarrhea. So you're either not pooping or pooping a lot. Ah, kind of like the sleep. If you're depressed, you could sleep a lot or not sleep. Keep that in mind. Number 6, weight gain. If you're really stressed out, you might put on a couple pounds. Number 7 plays into the sleep abundance. If you're not sleeping well, stress can definitely affect your sleep pattern. Number 8, physical pain. Yes, stress can manifest itself as physical pain. How hard or not so much, but how? Number 9, and I'm sure you're all familiar with this one from your teenage years. Acne and breakouts.